Lola, good morning, good evening, good day, happy birthday. I hope you enjoy celebrating your 80th birthday. I hope you enjoy the inasal that we shared to you. See you soon, keep strong. Amping ang kalawasan la. Yeah, thank you so much for everything. For all the good things that you've done for us, especially katong ng anak ko. Madihan mi nagpuyo sa inyo. See you soon. Happy birthday. Bye-bye. Love you.
Good morning, Pilipinas kong mahal. Just woke up. Today is November 16. Taguan ta na ito mga hinay-hay diha. November 16, Saturday at 8:38 a.m. So I just want to greet my Lola. Happy birthday, La! I just want to thank God for your life. I just want to thank God for your good health. So I wish you all the best in life. I wish you more birthdays to come and more blessings to come. And gimingaw na ko diha la. Sana wala tampok ko la. I'm so fat now. Oh my gosh. Pero it's okay. Okay. Suko baya ka nga di ko kaon. So karon la tambok na jud ko la. Now I'm so fat now. And don't worry about us diri sa America. Okay, we are in good hands. We are safe and okay ra pud mi sa work. So salig lang gid ka ani imong mga apula kay sa asa ra mo jud ni maabot. And pasensya na kayo sa ako ang gamay nga gift la because for now mapa na ko mahatag, but eventually if makuan-kuan na akong responsibility, dako-dako na po na siya la. And please, good health lang jud la. Mo na ang pinaka-importante because health is wealth. Mo jud na to ang atong ampingan, atong health. And gimingaw na ko diha la, wala ni tagay diri. Ang life diri is work, home. So, mingaw na ko sa Pilipinas, tiud-tiud na yung chika-chika, marites, wala na diri la. Nag-chika na. So, happy birthday la. Pag-enjoy mo din ha, and keep safe always. Take care always. And I'll see you soon.
Happy birthday, Wawalumen. I hope you keep strong. We'll miss you. We love you. But see you soon. I hope you get a lot of drink. Always a Coke, then something in there in a cell, and keep strong always. Happy birthday to you. I hope I get miss you then. I hope I like it to be in there. I don't like it to be in here. Okay, I love you. I miss you, all of you guys.
Oh.
Happy birthday to you then. I hope I get miss you then. I hope I like it to be in there. I don't like it to be in here. Okay, I love you. I miss you, all of you guys.
Go.
Awalo men, kit og maayo sa nasal na kay hatag nimo nga inamog ko kay panagsara ka makainuman na. 80th birthday Awalo men. I miss you. God bless. I love you. Magandang tagaan kang magpalawas sa Ginoo. Salamat po sa pag-atiman namo.